I want to pull it to the side, but it just come like it take over every. Oh, there you go. Lovely. So, first thing first, if you have blender, I use blender, but this, like a mini blender, because I just me alone there now. So, we just make one serving for myself. And as you can see, ingredients them there right there. So what I use, I have to really pull up that. Alright, so I start off. Jesus, you can't see me. Well, you can't see what I do. Nope. Be here. I don't know. Either way. I don't know if it's sure. Start off with banana. I love banana. Banana good for so much things. The body for hair. Everything. So most time it depends on how thick you want it, or if maybe you're a banana lover or not. So you just like use. I use half, because that's just me. Yes. Then you just basically put all of your ingredients in. Fosca oats, Jesus, yes, there you go. Can use like about 2. Can use 2, yes. There you go. Milky Way. I don't want a lot, but you give it a nice zing to it. And this sunflower seed crunch. This is very healthy. 5 grams of protein, 3 grams fiber. Nuts free, vegan, love it. Yep. Them look like this. Something like that. There you go. You can just put 2 in it because just simple energy boost. Lowering calories and everything. Salted caramel, sesame seed. And milk. These are like 2% milk. Use any milk you want. If you want to use soya milk, you can use that too, because that's even better. And you just put a little bit of milk in it. Not to put a lot, because you know you have to put ice and stuff. And then if you have any other nuts like peanut, cashew nut, anything like that, you can use it. But this is just what me have right now and everything. After that, you put in your ice. I've really used a lot, but oh well. And looks like we need a little bit more milk, so put that in. Yes. And I just lock it up like that. Turn it down. I just twist and it just blend. For me, like put a little sugar in it for taste. And some people want trick where my father teach me as well. Him always have come up on my life. The people who have belly problem, like them can't do milk, as them do milk, them have to run to the bathroom. Where do you sprinkle a little bit of salt in it, and it also enhances the taste as well. So you can do that if you have belly problem or you're not fan of milk and all of that. Yeah, me know honey, but me kind of like sugar. I just like one teaspoon, smallest one, teaspoon. Yeah. Just this. But me like taste it first because the banana well ripe, it kind of overripe, so maybe it already have all of the sweetness in it. So based on my taste, then I know how much sugar No one. All right. God no. Alright, so me need the sugar. Yes. I need the sugar. And the oats. Remember I said oats are something where the best if it's soak overnight too, so you get that smoothness there, cause it's very rough. But if you like your smoothie now blend out too much, that would have been perfect for you. But me kinda like it when it's more smoother and me not really have that grainy thing there, you know? So me just make it run for a few more seconds and then yes. But a simple one too, basically any fruit or anything you have, you can use to make a smoothie. If you have callaloo and them something there, very good. If you have soya milk, I want my best milk, but I never really have no soya milk right now. But this milk also good because of 2% reduced milk, so that's good as well. Alright. Feel like my good, you know. Me like taste, you know, cause you know say when me taste, me know say right. Here you go. That is it. And then you get. I want to see the thickness of it. If I can't see it, but there you go. Yeah. Just like that. Simple and easy. Turn it around, Jesus. Understand them phone business, I know. But there you go. Alright guys, that's it. I just didn't want to share that we don't know because the last time people did say, oh, me not show them how I do one bag or something. So see it there now. See it there. You can't stop attacking me. Alright, enjoy the day. I'm going to eat my breakfast.